Hi everyone and welcome to Abhishek's kitchen. Today we are going to make Chole bhature. At the end of this recipe, I'm also going to share with you some plating ideas. So let's get started.
For this, we need first to boil chickpeas, 2 cup chickpeas, soak 6 to 8 hours, 2 teaspoon salt or as per taste, half teaspoon baking soda, a muslin cloth or a bag, 2 tablespoon tea leaves, 1 teaspoon carom seeds, 2 black cardamom, 3 green cardamom, 4 cloves, 4 black peppercorns, 1 inch cinnamon stick, 3 bay leaves. For making chickpea spice, we need 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, 1.5 tablespoon coriander seeds, 0.5 tablespoon black peppercorns, 1.5 bay leaves, 1 inch cinnamon stick, 2 black cardamom, 4 green cardamom, 1 mace, 3 dried red chilies, 2 tablespoon pomegranate seeds powder, 0.5 tablespoon dried fenugreek leaves, 1/4 teaspoon fenugreek seeds, 2 teaspoon salt or as per taste, 1 tablespoon dry mango powder, 1 tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder. For cooking chickpea, we need 1/4 cup oil, 1 teaspoon carom seeds, 4 medium-sized chopped onions, 4 finely chopped garlic cloves, 2 inch finely chopped ginger, 2 finely chopped green chilies, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 2 teaspoon cumin seeds powder, 3 tablespoon prepared chickpea masala, 4-5 pureed tomatoes, 1 teaspoon salt or as per taste, 2 teaspoon fenugreek leaves, 2 teaspoon prepared chickpea spice, 3 green chilies slit in halves, 2 inch julienne ginger and 1 bunch of chopped fresh coriander. For making the fried flour bread, we need 1 cup refined flour, 2 tablespoons semolina, 2 teaspoon powdered sugar, half teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/3 cup yogurt, 1 tablespoon oil, half cup water and oil for frying. Now for the recipe, first to boil chickpeas. In a muslin cloth or a bag, add tea leaves, carom seeds, black cardamom, green cardamom, cloves, black peppercorns, cinnamon stick and bay leaves. Make a tight knot of the bag or muslin cloth. Next, in a pressure cooker, add muslin bag, salt and baking soda. Baking soda is added to help cook the chickpeas easily. Next, add the soaked chickpeas with water. The level of water should be 1 inch above the surface of the chickpeas. Add more water if required. Cover the lid of the pressure cooker and turn the gas on high flame. After you get 1 whistle, turn the flame to medium and wait for 4 more whistles. After 4 whistles, turn the flame off and let the pressure cooker depressurize naturally. Check the whistle if the cooker has depressurized or not, and then only you should open the lid of the pressure cooker. Remove the muslin cloth bag and strain the chickpeas and keep the water as well. Next, to prepare the chickpea spice, heat a pan on high flame. Once the pan is hot, drop the flame to low. Add cumin seeds, coriander seeds, black peppercorns, bay leaves, cinnamon stick, black cardamom, green cardamom, mace and dry red chilies. Roast the spices on low flame until you get the aroma from the spices and there is a slight change in the color of the spices. Once the spices release the aroma, add pomegranate seeds powder, dried fenugreek leaves, fenugreek seeds, dry mango powder, Kashmiri red chili powder and salt and roast for 1 more minute. Next, cool these spices before grinding. Grind the spices to a fine powder and you can store this powder in fridge for 2 to 3 months. Next, to cook the chickpeas, add 3 tablespoons prepared chickpea masala on the boiled chickpeas and mix everything together. Next, take an iron wok or any other wok if you don't have an iron wok. Iron wok gives a dark color to the chickpeas. Add oil in the wok and turn the gas on medium flame. Once the oil is hot, add carom seeds. Once the carom seeds crackle, add chopped onions. Saute the onions until they are light brown in color. Add chopped garlic, ginger and green chilies. Saute until the onions turn dark brown. Add tomato puree and salt. Salt is added so that the tomatoes cook faster. Cook until the oil separates. To this, add turmeric powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, coriander powder, cumin seeds powder and prepared chickpea masala with a dash of water. Water is added so that the spices don't burn. Cook this for 2 minutes until the oil separates. Next, add 2 ladles of chickpea and chickpea water. Mix and mash the chickpeas using back of the ladle to get the thick chickpea curry. Next, add the remaining chickpeas and mix and cook for 2-3 minutes. Add the remaining chickpea water and cook until the gravy is of thick consistency. Check salt and add more if required. Add 1 teaspoon of the prepared chickpea masala, fenugreek leaves, ginger julienne and slit green chilies and mix. Cook for 2 minutes on low flame and add chopped coriander and mix again. Your chickpea curry is ready to serve. Now, to prepare the fried bread, in a bowl, add refined flour, semolina, powdered sugar, baking powder, baking soda, salt and yogurt. After this, add half cup of water gradually to the flour mix. Knead the dough until it is sticky. Add more water only if required. The water required may be less than half cup. Once the dough is sticky, add oil to the dough. Pick up the dough and drop it back into the bowl. Do this for around 4 minutes until there is no more stickiness left in the dough. Next, apply oil on top of the dough so that it doesn't turn dry. Cover it with a moist cloth and keep it like that for at least 2 hours. Resting period is important to ensure that the fried bread is fluffy and puffed. After 2 hours, if you will press the dough, you will see that the dough is soft. Next, apply oil on a plate. Make small balls out of the prepared dough. From this dough, you can make 4 fried breads. The dough balls prepared by me are of different sizes because I need different size fried breads for plating, which you can see at the end of this video. Next, apply oil on top of the dough balls and cover it with a damp cloth for 10 to 15 minutes. Further, take a wok and add oil to fill the bottom half of the wok. Turn the flame on high and wait until the oil is hot. For rolling the bread, take the dough ball and press it using your fingers. Next, with the help of a rolling pin, roll the dough. Do not roll it too thin. Next, with the help of your fingers, press the dough from the edges. Place this in the hot oil such that the top portion of the dough is facing the oil. Press the dough to the bottom of the wok. Once you get the bubbles, turn the bread and splash oil on the surface of the dough. Once there is a light brown color on the bread, then take it out. Your chole bhature is ready to serve. Now let's get started on plating. For plate 1, add the chickpea curry to a serving pan. Next, on another pan, add 1 tablespoon ghee. Once the ghee is hot, add 2 green chilies. After the chilies are fried, add this on top of the chickpeas. Garnish the chickpeas with ginger julienne and fresh coriander. Furthermore, on a separate plate, add onions and mint and coriander green chutney. The link for the green chutney is in the description below. Additionally, add fermented pickle and lemon slices. Garnish the onions with fresh coriander. Finally, add hot and puffed fried bread on the plate. Your plate 1 is ready to serve. For plate 2, cut the prepared fried bread into 2. Stuff the breads with chickpea curry. Place this on a serving dish. On top of this, add fermented pickle, ginger julienne, chopped onions, green chutney and coriander leaves. Garnish it with a lemon slice. Your plate 2 is ready to serve. For plate 3, add a spoonful of green chutney on the center of the plate. Hit the green chutney with the back of the spoon. Add onions on top of the green chutney. Place the prepared small bite-sized fried breads at 5 locations. Add chickpea curry on top of the fried breads. Add ginger julienne and green chilies on top of the chickpeas. Add lemon slice on top of the onions. Add fermented pickle on top of the chickpeas. Garnish it with coriander. Your plate 3 is ready to serve.
Thank you and namaste from my side. See you all in the next video.